Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 3 simple ways to make money with crypto. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. In the last few years, the speed at which cryptocurrencies have been growing has led to a lot of new ways to make money with crypto. People of all ages are becoming more and more interested in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Still, not everyone is brave enough to begin investing. The reason is also simple. To use crypto with other investment tools, you need to know what you are doing and have some money to get started. This video will show you the main ways that even newcomers like yourself to digital currencies can make money. 1. Airdrop. People who don't want to invest but still want cryptocurrency can make money on distributions and by doing different tasks. Some services give out digital coins for simple services like retweeting a post or following social networks. Be careful though, there are both good and bad crypto airdrops. Watch out for scams and pump and dump schemes. Actual crypto airdrops never try to get people to buy the cryptocurrency with their own money. Its only purpose is to promote. In September, early users got a big airdrop from DYDX. A couple of weeks ago, the Ethereum name service gave platform users about 30,000 US dollars worth of ENS tokens. Don't forget about security measures when trying out different ways to get crypto. We suggest that you use a hardware wallet and keep it in the seed phrase somewhere safe. 2. Staking. Staking is a way to mine cryptocurrencies in a way that is long-lasting. This process involves committing your crypto assets to a blockchain network to support it and confirm transactions. People store coins on the proof-of-stake algorithm, which keeps the blockchain working. When a block is added to the blockchain, new tokens are made and given out as rewards for staking. Most of the time, the rewards are the same cryptocurrency as the stakes. But on some blockchains, this is not the case. Unlike mining, staking doesn't need extra tools or a lot of computing power. In some cases of staking, the average annual return can be 10% or 20%. It could be a great way to put your money to work, but you should think about the risk that the value of the tokens you stake will go down. In this case, there is a chance that your savings could go down in value. Ethereum, the second most valuable cryptocurrency, plans to switch to a proof-of-stake model in 2022. This means that users will only be able to validate transactions if they have a certain number of coins. Staking is already possible with a number of cryptocurrencies like Polygon's Matic, Polkadot's Cardano, and more. 3. Investments. Buying tokens to keep them for a long time is a common way to make money that doesn't require a deep understanding of the crypto market. The main idea behind this approach is that it will take a long time. When investing in crypto for the long term, it's important to follow a trading strategy instead of reacting to short-term changes in the exchange rate. This is the hardest part for both new and experienced investors because our emotions and decisions are affected by what we know. To be successful at trading, you will need time, experience, and to learn more. You can use the next generation of tools like investment managers to help you learn while you are still learning. Choose them carefully and keep an eye on how their portfolios do and what other people say about them. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.